Hi everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well. So I promised you a packing video, and by the time you watch this video I am already in Chicago for a little 6-day getaway. My husband is actually running the Chicago Marathon, and Chicago is just one of our favorite cities, so we're really excited. I'm going to show you everything that I packed, including shoes and accessories, and I'm really happy with everything that I selected. Lots of basics, but that way I can really easily mix and match and create so many different outfits. I have one main rule when it comes to packing for a weekend getaway or a holiday, whether it's like 5 days or 2 weeks, and that is to pick 3 or 4 colors, and everything that I pack kind of has to fall in those color categories. And this has really changed the packing game for me when it comes to traveling. It just means that whatever I take, I'll be able to easily mix and match, and then I will be able to create so many different outfits. So I've done this for the last, I want to say, 5 or 6 trips that I've taken, and it just really makes such a difference. I almost don't have to think about where the pieces go together, because if I just stick to 3 or 4 colors, I know that everything will match. As I mentioned, we're going away for 6 days, and the weather is actually going to be nice and cool, real fall weather, which is unlike the weather we've been having here in Toronto. It's pretty much still summer outside, so I'm excited for cooler temperatures, and I much prefer that when traveling. It makes the entire experience a lot more enjoyable. So my color scheme that I went with is black, white, and then gray and beige, and everything that I packed literally goes with everything else, so really easy to mix and match. So I'm going to start with the bottoms that I am taking, and first up is tailored trousers. So I'm going to take 2 pairs of tailored trousers. I just live in these in fall and winter. I think they look great paired with sneakers for a more casual look but still elevated, and they're also really great for evenings out when you want to get a bit more dressed up. So I'm going to take a black pair of tailored trousers. These are from COS, and they're almost like a balloon or barrel leg shape, which I absolutely love, and they are a nice wool fabric, so really great for keeping me warm if it's really chilly. And then I'm also going to take a pair of grey tailored trousers. This one is slightly lighter in weight, so I've got 2 great options there. Then next up is jeans. I always travel with at least 1 pair of jeans. It's just such a go-to when it comes to traveling. So I'm going to take both of my balloon style jeans. The blue ones are the ones from Zara, which you've probably seen a million times already, and then the gray ones are actually from Mango. So I'll show you these because they are a new purchase. I posted them on Instagram, and I know a lot of you already picked them up because they are just so good. So nice balloon slash barrel leg style. I've been actually looking for a pair of washed gray, washed black ones for fall winter, and these are just absolutely fabulous. The reason why I love this style of jeans so much at the moment is just because it goes with every style of shoe, which makes it even better when taking with you on a travel trip. And then the last pair of bottoms or trousers I'm going to take is a pair of leather trousers. These ones are from Reformation. I will link them down below. I actually bought them last year, and I can't tell you how many times I've worn these. They're such a staple for fall and winter. Great for traveling because they can really easily go with everything that I packed. And I love the way that they elevate an outfit and add a bit of edge. So definitely a must when traveling, at least for me during fall and winter. I just get so much wear out of these. So those are the bottoms that I'm taking. Then onto tops, and starting with basically my layering pieces, seeing as though it's going to be a bit chilly. So I'm taking a bunch of t-shirts. You already know that t-shirts are probably my most worn piece in my wardrobe, so I'm going to take quite a few styles and colors just because I'll probably wear one every day. So first off, just a basic white t-shirt. I'm actually going to take the white and the black version of this. It's just a classic fit, slightly relaxed, a bit oversized. These are from Massimo Dutti. I actually haven't even steamed anything on the rail because it's just going to go into my suitcase right after I've filmed this. So first up, just a plain white and black t-shirt. And then, because I'm absolutely obsessed with shoulder pads at the moment, I'm going to take a black t-shirt with shoulder pads and then a white one that I recently picked up from Zara. I just love the shoulder pads because they add that nice structure, that power shoulder to an outfit. So it's just not just your basic casual t-shirt. It really has something different to it to elevate it. And I would even style just the shoulder pad t-shirt with the leather trousers, pair of kitten heels, and you've got a great going out look. So I'm excited to take my shoulder pad t-shirts with me. And then the last kind of layering top I'm taking is just a very thin long sleeve black knit, and this I'll be able to wear on its own but also layer underneath the cardigans and jackets I'm going to take. So a really useful one, especially if the weather is going to be kind of cool and you need to make sure that you stay warm. And next up we have sweaters and cardigans. So first up is this grey sweater from Estier, and I love the fit of it. It's nice and oversized, a bit more relaxed, and then it has this irregular hem line which I think just makes it feel a bit more unique, and I've actually been wearing this one quite a lot, and I love the look layered just over a white t-shirt where you can see the color, and it's just such a great color. Again, something that's great for casual wear or just as easily dressed up with the leather trousers and some kitten heels. So I'm excited for this one, and I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it. Then I'm taking two cardigans. Firstly, a black one because you can just never go wrong with black, and I feel like the gold buttons really just elevate the piece. Great for elevating a casual look, but also great for just draping over your shoulders in the evening. So I'm taking my black one with me. And then another cardigan, this fuzzy one from Massimo Dutti. It still actually has the tag on because it hasn't been cold enough for me to wear it outside, even though I've styled it in a few reels. But I just love the texture of this one. It feels nice and cozy, but again, a nice elevated piece for casual looks as well as a bit more dressy. And then the jackets I'm taking, I'm still undecided whether I'm going to take a trench coat. The weather is not predicting any rain at the moment, so I'm not sure I'm going to pack my trench coat. So we'll see if I just throw it in the suitcase last minute. But I'm going to take two blazers. The first one is just a black blazer, one of those classic pieces that goes with everything. But this time I decided to go for my cinched waist blazer, just because I think it just adds a trendy element to any outfit you style it with, and I can go for casual as well as more dressy looks with this. So my cinched waist black blazer, and I think I'm going to get a lot of wear out of that one. And then for a more oversized relaxed style, I'm going to go with this one from Aritzia, and it has some strong shoulders. Definitely reminds me of the new Saint Laurent blazers, which is why I got this one in the first place. And I love the lighter color because paired with some all black outfits, this will just brighten up the outfit and make it pop a bit. So another great neutral to go with all of the darker colors that I am packing. And then the last jacket, which is probably the one that I'm going to travel in, is my leather jacket. Again, definitely inspired by Saint Laurent with the shoulder pads and the little belt that can cinch in the waist. And I see this styled with casual looks with jeans and sneakers for daytime, but also with my black tailored trousers and kitten heels for an evening out if I want to add a bit of edge. So those are the jackets that I am taking with. And then onto shoes, and it won't be a travel packing video without a pair of sneakers. This is just the pair of shoes that I'm going to wear every single day for walking. They're comfortable, they go with all of the outfits, and there's not really much more to say about a pair of sneakers. I am actually thinking of adding another pair of sneakers in case it rains. I don't want to necessarily go out in the rain with the suede ones, so I might just end up adding my black or at least my white leather gazelles from Adidas. But definitely a pair of sneakers is a must for traveling and doing lots of walking. The second pair of shoes I'm taking with is a pair of black ballet flats. And this is if I don't want to go as casual as sneakers, but I still want to be comfortable for walking around, then a pair of comfortable flats is a must. And these have slightly pointed toe, so they do feel a bit more elevated and dressy, and these are just so comfortable and will go with all of the trousers I'm packing and all of the other pieces that I brought along. And then the final pair of shoes I'm taking is this pair of kitten heels that I recently picked up from Massimo Dutti, and honestly I've worn these so much, so that is definitely a sign that I needed something like this in my wardrobe. And these are actually key for basically taking all of the casual pieces that I am packing and dressing them up, making them appropriate for a night out, for those more dressy outfits. So a pair of kitten heels is a great option just to throw in your suitcase in case you want to dress up any of your looks. And just tying in with the shoe topic, another thing that I've learned over the last few years when traveling is you only really need 2 or 3 pairs of shoes when traveling. Number 1 is a pair of sneakers. Number 2 is another comfortable pair of flats. And number 3, if you're planning on going out, then a pair of comfortable heels. But you really don't need any more than that. And then for accessories, the first up is a belt. You know I love my belts, and with the color scheme I am packing, I only really need 1 belt, and I'm going to take my black YSL belt because it will just go with everything, and it's just the cherry on top to finish every look. Then a must-have accessory for traveling is a pair of sunglasses, and I also only need to bring 1 pair. So I'm going to bring my cat's eye sunglasses from Bottega Veneta. They will go with pretty much all of the outfits, and I just love the gold detail just to elevate the casual outfits a bit. And I've been wearing these a lot, so they're the perfect ones to bring with me. And then the last accessory is a bag. So I'm actually going to bring my crossbody Coach bag, and the reason why is because I can either wear it crossbody for during the day, I'm hands-free and it's just really easy and comfortable and practical, but I can also remove the crossbody strap, just wear it as a top handle bag, so that makes it great for going out. And this one is nice and spacious, so I can fit in everything that I want to take with me, and this is actually at the moment my favorite travel bag, just because it fits a ton, it's practical, and most of the time when I travel I do bring a lot of black with me just because it's easy to wear, it always looks chic, so then this goes with pretty much everything. And that is everything that I am bringing along with me to Chicago, and I'm literally just going to put everything in this suitcase now, so that makes for easy packing. So the next video will be more of a vlog style video showing you the outfits that I will actually be wearing or have worn in Chicago. So then you will see all of these pieces in action, and it will kind of give you a an insight into my thought process from what I pack to the outfits that I create with all of these pieces. So definitely be on the lookout for that. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future videos, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. And also don't forget to go and give me a follow over on Instagram. I share even more style tips, outfit inspiration, style content over there. It's also styled by Sansha, so definitely go and give me a follow. Until the next video, which will be from Chicago, I'll chat to you then. Bye.